Hey everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip hop dance online. If you want to learn basic hip hop dance, we drop videos like this every Tuesday. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you're an aspiring dancer or someone who's always wanted to learn, let me personally coach you with online lessons. You work through an app, do one-on-one Zoom trainings with me, and group classes with students all over the world. The link to apply for that is in the description box below. In this video, you'll be learning 3 top rock steps that you've probably seen in the Olympics. The way we do this is you'll learn it without music, then we try it with music, and at the very end, we're going to combine all 3 steps to make a short pattern. All right, let's get started. The first step we're going to do is called a cross step or a 2-step in top rock, and it looks like this. So we're going to break down this step into 2 parts. First, we're going to do the legs or the lower body, and then we're going to do the upper body. For the lower body, you're going to do 2 steps on each side. We're going to alternate right, left, right, left. So starting with my right leg, you're going to step right, cross left, open, cross right. So open, cross in front. One more time. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Now we're going to add some dimension to this where we're going to lift up that back foot. And when I say back foot, the foot that's behind, not the foot that's crossing. So when we're crossing that leg in front, the back heel lifts up. So watch first, my right foot starts. It's flat foot. When I cross my left foot, that left foot is flat, but then my right foot heel or my right heel lifts up, okay? So slow, let's try that again. You're going flat foot, right leg, and then heel comes up. Then flat foot, the back heel comes up. Now, the reason why we do this is because when we're rocking with our torso, when our upper body is involved, where it allows us to have more freedom to rock up and down. What we don't want to do is dig our heel forward and lean back. So we don't want to do this, lean back. We want to be able to have a forward foot flat, back heel up, and then our weight kind of shifts a little bit forward instead of leaning back. We'll discuss a little bit more of that when we involve our upper body. So again, one more time with the lower body, lifting up the back heel, okay? Slow, 6, 7, 8, right, heel up, left, heel up, right, heel up, left, heel up. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, with our upper body, we're going to involve a rock. So our torso is going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This element takes a little bit of time, but what we don't want to do is keep everything erect. So when we practice our 2-step, our torso goes up, up, rocking up. So practice that with the feet. We're going up, 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 up. Now with our arms, we're going to do a simple example for this video, and we're going to do a cross and an open, and it looks like this. Now we're going to add the arms with the 2-step with the lower body. Don't forget to rock. So for here, we're just going to practice cross, open, cross, open. Every time we step, we cross. And then every time we extend that leg in front, we open. So let's practice the slow 2 8 counts, no music. Here we go. All right, now we're gonna do a 2-8 count practice faster. You're gonna hear me clap my hands to give you a cue on how fast it's gonna be. After that, we're gonna try it with music. All right, here we go. The second move we're gonna do is called the kick salsa step. It also looks like a kickball change, and it looks like this. We're gonna take the same strategy breakdown, lower body first, then upper body. So with the kick salsa step, you're doing 3 points of contact with the legs. So starting with the right leg, you're gonna kick, drop it, and extend out. Other side, you're gonna kick, drop it, extend out. Okay? So let's try that again. With the right leg, you're gonna kick forward, drop it in the middle, bend the knees, and then extend that left foot. When we extend that left foot, we wanna keep our weight center instead of shifting our weight to the side. So in other words, it's right, step down right, extend the left, staying center instead of going out. Not saying that that's wrong, but for this demonstration, we're gonna keep everything center, okay? Right leg, this tempo, a 5, 6, 7, 8, right, middle, out, okay? Now, with that left leg extended, you're gonna do the same thing we did on the right side. Kick left, middle, extend right, okay? So you're always doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Kick middle out, kick middle out. One more, hop, bop, bop, cat, tap, tap. Now, involving the upper body, the same thing that we did with the 2-step, you're gonna add that rock up. So it's going up, 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 rocking up, right? So this type of rock involved in any type of groove is really important to have because we don't wanna have this erect torso every time we step and do moves like this. So you don't wanna look like a broomstick dancing. You wanna be able to practice relaxing, and to practice relaxing is to apply the rock in your torso. Just the rock, and then we'll add the legs. So rock for an 8 count, a 5, 6, rocking up, 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 up. Again, make it chill, make it soft, not too crazy. Now add the legs. We're going right, left, right, left. So with each side, you're gonna rock up twice. Okay, so right side, you're going up twice. Left side, you're going up twice. Right side up twice, left. Now here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the arms, very similar to the 2-step, we're gonna cross and open. So every time that we kick middle out, we cross open, all right? So let's try it slow, no music, with a cue, and then we're gonna go a little bit faster following the hand cue that I demonstrate. Let's try it. All right, now we're gonna try it with music. The third step we're gonna do is called a 3-step happy feet variation. And it just mainly involves the lower body freestyling the upper body, and it looks like this. So for this breakdown, it's 3 points of contact for each side. So starting with the right foot, you're going right toe, switch it right heel, then hop to the right foot. 98% of the weight is on the right foot. Okay, so let's try that again. The right side, you're going toe, knee in, heel, knee out. Now hop in the forward diagonal to that right foot, and your weight should be mostly on the right side. So you don't want to hop and then have your weight back and no weight forward. Most of your weight, I want to say, if anything, all of your weight should be on that right foot so that you can lift the other side, the weight on the other side. This allows you to switch the weight swiftly. So a little bit faster, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Toe, heel, hop. Let's try that again. Right side, 2 more times, isolating this side. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Toe, heel, hop. 1 more time, and here we go. Toe, heel, hop. You're gonna do the same thing on the left side. So we're going left toe, switching it, same foot, left heel, hop forward diagonal to that left foot, and then all of your weight or most of your weight is on the left side. Let's try that again. Slow. So toe, knees in, heel, knees out, and then hop forward, most of your weight on the left foot. Let's go slow. Let's do that 3 times in the tempo of toe, heel, hop. Here we go. Toe, heel, hop. Try it again. Toe, heel, hop. 1 more time. Here we go. Toe, heel, hop. So now we're going to connect them. We're going to do 4 on each side. Oh, no, 2 on each side, 4 total. So we're going to do right side, right side, then left side. Don't worry about arms yet. Let's just connect each side. 5 and 6. Here we go. Right side. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So when we connected into the left side, you may have noticed that you're already on your toe. In other words, right side, we went boom, boom, we're on our toe. So now you just open it up, okay? So you don't have to reset back to flat. You're already here. Sorry, boom, boom, cat. You're already here, and then you just open it, bringing the toe down. Let's try that again, slow. 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, hop. The toe's already there. Then we go toe, heel, hop. Toe's already there. Toe, heel, hop. Toe's already set up. Toe, heel, hop. Try it again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, hop. Toe, heel, hop. Toe, heel, hop. Toe, heel, hop. Okay, so now we're gonna add a little bit more sauce and tapatio to this. So instead of making our jumps under ourselves and small, we wanna create an illusion of more energy and bigger jumps. So the way I do it is I use more space within my vicinity of dance movement, all right? So I'm not just staying in this one spot. I use the hop to take up more space. So we're gonna try that together slow, okay? So 5, taking up more space with the jump. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and woo! 5 and yeah! 7 and yeah! Okay? Try it now. We're gonna do it slow, same tempo with arms. Now, with this part, there's no really set arms that I'm gonna teach here. If anything, it's best to just freestyle and create your own arm movements. If you wanna keep it simple, you can just clap every time you hop. If you wanna keep it in that simple space, we're gonna try that. First, trying it slow, no music, and then we're gonna graduate to music. Here we go. All right, now's the time to come where we connect all 3 steps to create one pattern. We're gonna connect the cross step, the kick salsa step, and then the 3-step happy feet variation. Take a pause and then do it again, repeating those steps back to back. All right, let's try it out. You made it! And if you like this lesson, we drop videos just like this every Tuesday. So please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget, if you're an aspiring dancer or someone who's always wanted to learn, let me personally coach you with online lessons. And the link for that information is in the description box below. See you next week.